One of the things that we've seen in small footprint is companies that are capturing a lot of data but need help making sense of it. Let's say I have a large fleet and I don't know which ones are maybe about to have a problem or that have had some problems that I need to resolve. It's hard to make sense of that if you're just looking at a bunch of numbers or you're looking at something for a single vehicle at a time.
Organizations have come to us with old systems that their customers are using in order to understand where shipments are going or where their inventory sits at this time. And there's not an easy way for their customers to understand what's going on without switching between a whole bunch of different screens that don't share a lot of information. So what we have created are screens or dashboards where the customers and the vendors can go there, see all of their information in one spot and understand exactly what's going on rather than jumping to all the different screens that exist.
Companies have struggled with getting information maybe from the vendors. So one example would be returning a product to the store. The companies want to reduce that process, reduce the amount of time the consumer has to spend in the store, amount of time that that their employee spends on something, and they want to make sure that the data is accurate. So we've created a mobile app. Several mobile apps, but we've created mobile apps that have barcode scanning and other integration with other APIs to pull in data that instead of having to fill out a piece of paper and get something wrong or even log into a website to manually input something, that these mobile apps can pull in data from a lot of different places, complete it, check it for validity, and submit it. And so the company gets reduced time spending on that process. The consumer's a little happier because they're not wasting a lot of time either filling something out or standing in the store while somebody else fills it out. And they're able to, the employees are able to spend time on more value-added things for the business.
Organizations that have been around for a long time built systems that worked at the time when they started. But now with new companies coming into those industries, they have to compete. These companies have to modernize these legacy systems in order for someone to look at them and say, I want to go with these guys rather than jump to their competition. They have to build systems that their customers, their vendors can easily access and make their work much more efficient.